Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a Deck of Scarlet tutorial for you guys. I created this look using their brand new July-August collaboration palette. So let me just start off by telling you what Deck of Scarlet is. It's kind of like a monthly subscription type of service. However, it's every other month. So you will pay $29.95 every other month and you'll get a brand new palette. Now, every palette is different because they're created with different influencers every time. This month is in collaboration with an influencer called Belle Jorden, and she's gone for this gorgeous kind of purpley theme, as you can see. So I decided to pick a purple smoky eye with a purple lip. You know I love a good purple. The eyeshadows are super pigmented. They blend really well. You'll see that in the video, but this inner corner shade as well, I'm living for this purple. So I love this palette. Another great thing about this palette is it comes with the first ever Deck of Scarlet mascara, which is amazing, and it works amazing as well. As you can see, my lower lash lines are popping. So they have given me a special discount code for you guys, and it will be in my description box. So if you click that link, you will save 30% and get your palette and mascara for only $21, which is an amazing deal. If you are a first-time customer and you don't really want this shade selection or this palette, you can pick from previous collaboration palettes for your first box, so you don't have to be forced into getting this one. But I definitely recommend this one because it just works beautifully. Like, I feel like this is such a versatile palette. All of the shades show up on my skin tone. Even the highlight is looking popping and gorgeous. The blush is like a gorgeous dusty rose color. So yeah, I definitely recommend this one. Well done, Belle Jorden. Now, as for shipping, they do ship to the USA, Canada, as well as the UK. It is free shipping within the USA, but there's shipping costs for the UK, so do bear that in mind and check out the website before you order. So yeah guys, that was everything I wanted to tell you about Deck of Scarlet. Let's just go ahead and jump straight into this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay guys, so when you first get your package, this is what the box looks like, and then when you open it up, there's a leaflet on the top and it tells you who they've collaborated with and a bit about them. Then once you've opened up the package, it comes in this gorgeous layout. You get the mascara at the bottom if you pick this month's box, and then the palette slides out of the sleeve and it has two separate compartments, one for the cream lip products, and then it keeps the powders separate. So you have another flap for your powder products, which is the eyeshadow, blusher and highlighter, and you also get a mirror. The first shade I'm taking is this grey tone over here. It is called Drama, and it does come out so much deeper than I was expecting, which is a good thing because it made an absolutely gorgeous base for my smoky eye. So I'm just tapping that shade all over my lid, then going back into this matte purple shade, which is called Crush. I'm just going to blend this through the crease to diffuse the grey tone and get the smoky eye nice and smoky. So of course, to blend this purple, just keep going back and forth, windscreen wiper motions, and it will blend itself. Now going in with the shimmery light purple color called Supernova. I absolutely love this color. It's such a vibrant purple. So I'm just placing this all over my inner corner and kind of, I am blowing it out a little bit. You can keep it more confined to your inner corner, but I like that bright inner corner type of look, so that's what I'm going for. Now taking the first ever Deck of Scarlet mascara, I'm just going to apply that, then I complete the rest of my face off camera quickly. Now going in with the lower lash line, I'm taking that same purple color called Crush, putting it underneath my lower lash line, and I absolutely love this mascara. It works so beautiful on my lower lash line, adding length and darkness and everything. So now I'm going in with the blush shade, which works perfectly for my skin tone. It's not too bright, but it's a nice flush of color, and that is the shade Whisper. Now going in with highlighter, I'm taking the shade Shh. It's weird to say that, but this is an absolutely gorgeous gold color, and it's not texturizing at all. It's very pigmented and it works for multiple skin tones, so I'm very happy with this highlighter. So to finish off the look, I'm going in with the lip shade in the shade Passion. It's this gorgeous kind of pinky purple type of shade, and then I also went in with the icy purple that I used on my inner corner and put it on my Cupid's bow to add a touch of something different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the link in my description box to save 30% off your first order, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.